Hello everybody, today I want to show you how you can connect your smart TV LG to Wi-Fi. Okay, how you can activate Wi-Fi. Now with this button or this button, okay, pay attention, this button you can put here. Now in this menu can you find that button? Echo no, aspect no, audio no, time no, red. With this button can you put here now, sorry, this is my duplicate screen mirror, okay. With this can you see now your connection, Wi-Fi connection, okay. With this you need put here, and this is not connect because this is my cable for internet, okay. This smart TV don't have that system. This TV have a Wi-Fi. Can you see connection Wi-Fi? And select your Wi-Fi and connect. This is all for this. O sea, this is all. You just need this. If you don't see that Wi-Fi connection, maybe can be a significant. Yes, significant. I don't know. Sorry for my English. That you don't have smart TV, okay, or Wi-Fi connection in your TV. The other way that you can use is my system, okay. With this cable you can put YouTube, Netflix, whatever, doesn't matter. What do you want? Can you put all streaming apps with this system? Duplicate your screen mirror, okay. Now you see this is my Windows screen, but you also can you use your mobile or your laptop or your tablet, iPad, okay. With this for iPhone, okay, and you see, or this for my PC, or I don't know what do you want, okay. This is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English. Have a good day. See you later.